Guys, guess what I bought? $750. Let's see what's inside. Oh my god. We're off with a bang. Look at that. Look at how thick that is. Ooh. Some rubber band cards. I ordered this, by the way. Ooh. So we'll be unboxing these and the rest will be this card split. The rest will be unboxed in the next video. So we're gonna talk about this, a necklace. Okay, first box of the day. Oh my. In the comments section, please guess how much of these cards I went through, and tell me what this card is. Why is it like rainbow? Okay, first card, starting off with, ooh, they're all in like this plastic. I don't think it's a can. Oh, another one. Another one. Third one. A fourth one. 4 of them? Because I only... Okay. Starting off with Mega Gardevoir EX. Oopa. GX. This card, I don't know how I got it. Dexter guy. By the way, it has like that, so in the comments tell me how much of these cards we already went through. And what are these? Tell me, what are these? My brother said they are commemorative cards. Commemorative cards, but I don't know. Mewtwo EX. Mega Rayquaza. I don't know what is that writing. What does the writing say? See the writing? Augustugard. Blastoise. GX. Megagross. Ultimate Lucario. What is this? Is this an Ultimate Lucario? Lucario. I don't know what's a Lucario. Is it aquatic? Lucario. What is this card? I don't know why it's like that. Bro. Another one of those weird cards. How much of these weird cards do... Can you tell me how much of these weird cards we already went through? And another one of those cards, Escobar. Ultimate Slay. Ultimate Rayquaza. Another one of them. Wait a minute, put this here. Okay. Ooh, NTI. Mew. Look at that. Little Mew. How rare is this? Mewtwo EX. Mega Aerodactyl. Sizer. Mega Lucario. Dexter guy. EX. Rock Polish. One of those Ultimate Onyx. Garantina. I'm gonna make a joke. If you don't want to see this joke, skip 20 seconds. I guarantee you a good price. Very good jokes, right? Quality. Lugia EX and Lugia GX and EX. Mega Charizard, Ultimate Mewtwo, Hydrodon EX, Como GX. Oh, guess what, guys? You're gonna hate this, but I got another joke. I guarantee you a good membership. I guarantee you a good membership. Please, I'm really desperate of content. Please. Oh, there goes cards. What is this? Charizard EX, Alakazam. Discard. Yeah. Tell me what this card is, please. Latios and Latias. Tag Team GX. What are these cards? Chespian. That one. That one. That one. That one. Okay, finally. Metagross GX. Jiranchi EX. Groudon. What are these numbers right here? You see like these? What are those? What are those, please? I heard that these cards are rarer than GXs. EX. Oh, just in order. Ooh, one Zekrom. This one costs like $130. The reason I'm wearing a mask, this is a heavily polluted area.
We're in a room, idiot.
Totopex. Totopex GX. Kangastein. This card was wrecked when it came here. Alolan Ninetales. Linorock. Volcanion. Toxicroak. All of these are GX and EX. Ho-Oh GX. Alolan Ninetales GX. Mega Heracross. Totopex GX. Oh yeah, another Zekrom. I have two of them. Wait. Those two weren't fake. Two of them. Very nice handling and shipping. Okay. Mega Gardevoir. Latios.
I didn't.
Mega Blast EX. Mega Charizard EX. Mewtwo GX.
I didn't. One rice, okay? Honey?
Okay. Ultra Necrozoma GX. Wild Beast. Ultra Beast. I thought it was Wild Beast. What are these cards? Oh, wait a minute. I have two of these. Look. Two of the same thing. Real deal. have those cards. Onsidio. Shiny Onsidio. Beware. GX. Diagla. Golem. Mewtwo GX. Hoopa. Mega Ampharos. What are these Japanese writings? Can you understand those? Mew. And Mewtwo. Comative. What is this? What is the fingers 2 sign? Mega Cannonstein EX. Cabalon. Ah. Oh yeah. This also came with it. Okay. Snorlax, Eevee and Snorlax. GX. Umbreon EX. Again, this one's damaged. Umbreon GX. Wait a minute. Yeah, it's EX. Darkrai GX. Umbreon GX. Umbreon. Darkrai. Banty GX. Sazzo GX. Como GX. Rayquaza GX. Pelican GX. White Kyurem. It's like firework effect. White Kyurem again, but this is that White Kyurem EX is the firework version. White Kyurem GX is that Venusaur and Kelby. Those cards again. Those cards. Oh man, no. Solgaleo. Dawn Wing Necrozoma. Tapalili. GX. Metagross. So, oh yeah, about this necklace. This necklace is it's supposed to be for C's, but I think I can wear it. This is hard to wear, but this one came with it. But then, all of these cards are for upcoming videos. So, later guys, and make sure to subscribe. And but last, just forgot to mention it at the $751. Wow, that was expensive. Yeah, so bye.